Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a Adobe Transition Electricity video effects in CapCut. So here you just need to add your video to CapCut and click on it. Then go to speed, normal, and then lower the or slow down the speed into 0.5 times. Then make it a better quality. Click on a check icon, and now you can just wait until the smooth slow-mo applied. Okay, so the smooth slow-mo has been applied. Then you can just move forward in your video to where you want the effects to start. Okay, I'm going to split in here, then move forward again. Okay, I'm going to split again in here, so it will become 3 parts like this. Then go to the second clip and go to adjust. Click on the adjust cell and then choose the color that you want to change, and just play around with the setting to find the color that you like. Okay, I'm going to go with this. Then after that, you can just click on a check icon, and then after that go to effect, body effects, frame, then select the optical scanning, electro optical scanning, this one. Okay, you can adjust it into whichever color you like. You can adjust the effect. I'm going to click on a check icon, so it will go like this. So put the effects to where the color changing appear. Okay, so it will go like that. I'm going to go this, then copy the effects and put it in the last clip where the color is changing again. So it will have this electricity transitions effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Bye.